Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our CSE-713 group presentation. So our title is an efficient machine learning approach to detect sentiments from text data. So throughout this presentation, we will discuss about the motivation and objectives and also the reviewed papers we did for this project and the dataset we selected to work on and the work plans. So let's move on to the motivation behind this project. So understanding human emotion is the first motivation to do this project. Understanding human emotion play a crucial role in human communication and decision making. Whenever we try to make a good sale or make good decision based on the human and real life scenarios, human emotion plays a very critical and crucial role. So it is very complex to understand human emotion and make a good decision. So if we can collect the emotions properly, we can make a good decision. And also enhancing NLP systems. If sentiment analysis can be done, the NLP system can also be improved. In natural language processing, ability to understand and respond to human sentiment will be very much appropriate and also very fast. On the other hand, improved decision making abilities, which is I already said, it is very much crucial nowadays for different kind of cell perspectives or other perspectives. And finally, the mental health analysis. If we can understand human emotions properly, it will directly or indirectly help to understand the accurate result or benefits of a mental health of a person. So the research objective is to comprehend sentiment analysis and increase level of need polarities of the datasets. Also the bias issues. We want to tackle the biases present in datasets or models to ensure fair and reliable sentiment analysis results. So these are the sample review papers. We have already done a different kind of reviews on different projects based on our topic. So first paper, it was collected sentiment using the news text analysis, where they done 91.67% accuracy. However, there are some biases present in that paper. If we move on to the paper 2, they work on the COVID-19 tweets. So COVID-19 was a big challenge for our society and worldwide. So to understand the human emotions and about the COVID-19 impact is very necessary. So this paper plays a great role on this sector. On the other hand, we collected more sample review papers. In paper 3, sentiment analysis was done based on the weather related tweets. It detects how people react on different weather conditions and forecasts. On the other hand, paper 4 was directly related to our paper, in which they try to understand the sentiment of human using the tourist plasm review and based on the naive Bayes algorithm, which we will use in our main project. So now the other part will discuss by the other team members. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvir. I'd like to start by discussing the importance of our dataset. In any machine learning task, the quality of the dataset is paramount. Our dataset compresses reviews from Spotify users, which include text feedback along with corresponding sentimental levels. This dataset serves as the foundation of our analysis, providing the necessary input for training and testing our model. Now let's talk about our work. So we have used naive Bayes and RNN. Moving on to recurrent neural networks, RNNs. RNNs are particularly well suited for sequential data, making them an excellent choice for processing text. Unlike traditional feed-forward neural networks, RNN have loops that allow information to persist, enabling them to capture dependencies between words in a sentence or review. This makes RNN highly effective for tasks like sentimental analysis, where context is crucial in determining sentiments. And another one is night bias we have used. Now let's delve into night bias, a popular and relatively simple yet effective machine learning algorithm. Night bias is based on bias theorem, which calculate the probability of certain event occurring given prior knowledge. In the context of sentiment analysis, Naipa's concludes the probability that a price of text belongs to a certain sentiment class. In the conclusion, our study highlighting the effectiveness of machine learning technique, particularly naive Bayes and RNN, in sentiment analysis tasks. By learning this algorithm, our carefully curated dataset of Spotify reviews and some more datasets. We are working on these projects and we have some references to add, and these are the references. Uh, these papers are very related to our project. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.